Hello guys, my name is Alexander Kuyava and I am a visual artist and head of Video Mapping Store. And in this video I would like to show you how to can use video mapping loops. It's a 3D displaced effect visuals for projection mapping, and I want to show you how you can use it in Adobe After Effects and how you can apply different effects or use it without any effects or third-party plugins. As you can see in Video Mapping Store, we have produced and rendered for you a lot of different video mapping loops for different venue, for architectural projection, for object projection, for full dome visuals, performance, and so on. And as you can see, we also have done it in different resolution, in full HD, in 4K, and also in ultra wide for large scale and wide scale projection mapping. It was produced in different animation effects, so you can see just different geometric shapes and patterns, so you can use it easily with your texture of your facade or architecture. So let's start. So first of all, I will open my video mapping loops. Was produced for large scale venue. Normally, as you can see, video mapping, it's a game of light and shadow. And if you, for example, on your content on projection have a black background, on projection you cannot video projector as equipment cannot light as black color. Yes, it will be like a depth, it will be like a hole in your facade. So in this case, to manipulate with light and shadow in this way, we can create a specific 3D effect in our building. So let's open it in this pack. I will choose randomly different visuals from different packs, so you see the difference. This one we have done for full dome projection, but you also probably can use it for architectural projection mapping if you need. Nice 3D effect. Let's take this one. So next what you need to do is open your facade texture, your photo of your building. It will be great if you will have totally front view. I will show it like this, just for preview, to see how it works, okay? So you can see it better. And then what you need to do is just open, create new composition. Okay, and then just put your loop composition, replace composition to the main composition, okay? And then you can just press blending mode and stencil lumen effect. Normally you can simply add your content here, okay? Simply. But if you will put it to replace, it will be more easier for you, because then you have just need to change your settings and that's it. And the most replace file will be here. So let's see. This I will delete. Now we can just add brightness or contrast. So as you can see, using just simple video mapping loops, you can just create effect of falling walls. It depends of your video mapping content, video mapping loops pack which you have. If we, for example, just change it to second ones, yes, you can see how it's easy and quickly you can just create your 3D effect. Let's replace with some other. I will do it a bit faster. Still need to make more faster. Okay. And now let's try. Some of you in feedback asked me how we can also change a texture, how we can also change the texture of this file. So I want to show you how you can do it quickly using inbound effect in Adobe After Effects. So what you need to do, you just press your layer of texture facade and just open distortion and displacement map, and here just put loop replace. Okay, and now you can see you can displace your texture with video mapping loop. You can see this brilliant liquid effect also, which you can add. Okay, let's try some other loop. I want to show you different types of video mapping loops, just you see how it works. So as I said, video projection mapping is just a game of light and shadow. Manipulate with light and shadow, you can just create an awesome 3D effect like it. For sure, with video mapping loops you can just create some short performance, but it will be much more better if you can just mix with your own content and also add some different custom graphics to your performance. Anyway, 3D mapping loops is a very nice 3D visuals which you can help create 3D effect on your building. So we need add more brightness. Like it, for example. Nice wireframe effect. The live architecture. Also, I want to show you how it can look on some other architecture. For example, this one. I will set it like it just for preview, and also add displacement map. So it's very easy, very quickly, and you can manipulate with your facade. So prepare different composition, just then render and then mix. Okay, let's render. As you can see, video mapping loop will create a shadow effect and 3D effect, and displacement map effect will displace the texture of your facade also. Okay, and let's also see how will work our full DOM visuals on architecture. So as you can see, we will render it in 4K resolution, so it's 2 times more as Full HD. The quality is pretty enough. And one more thing about timing I want to show you in this video tutorial. When you produce your video composition scene, as you can see, all our visuals, we do like in 3 parts. So first it's intro, when the objects appear, then totally white background, so it's like a middle point for transition or for timing, for future timing, what I will show you now, and then it's outro, when the object is disappeared. So in this case, you can, for example, pre-compose your scene. Well, pre-compose, yes, and if you need to do it more longer, just put to in your timeline, check the center, and press here freeze frame. It will be set the keyframe as hold keyframe, so we need to change interpolation of this keyframe. So open it up and press linear. Okay. And in this case, you need also animate the first 0.0k. So press here 0. So it will be, so what we do, we do same animation, but now it will be freeze on this frame. So you can just copy this K, use animation how you will need. Now you can copy this frame, prolong your layer in timeline how you need, for example more second, then set this keyframe, and then go more for second for outro. Okay. A little bit fast, so you can just prolong more. Anyway, this full DOM visuals was produced in 60 frames per second, so you can just really good prolong it to 2 times more. So if you have scene composition in 29 frames per second, so this scene you can, this animation of timing you can prolong twice. So let's now see what we can do in Resolume with these videos. Okay. Like this, for example. So as you can see, mixing already prepared your video composition with video mapping loops. It's very easy, and you can just create different VJ sets and video mapping projection mix as you would like. And our video mapping loops will help you to achieve best 3D depth effect on your facade projection. So welcome to the video mapping store, and here you find different video mapping loops packs and also some different effects for video mapping projection, so toolkits, visuals for full dome, for stage mapping, for video mapping cake, vidding cake, and so on.